So we're back on this ensign, and I've got all of the non-skid taped off, trimmed all my corners, and I started sanding up front and worked my way down. You can kind of see the shine change. Work my way down to the back here, and then we've got some tint. We'll throw in this all grip. Actually, see a little tint down there in my pile of crap mess. So basically, I'm gonna finish the sanding, and then I'm gonna wipe it down, wash it down a little bit with some. I just use like some plain water. I'll change the water out a couple times. Do it a couple of times. Let it dry, which it will in here pretty easily. It's freaking over 80 in here, and the door's open. It's not 80 degrees outside, but it's 80 degrees in here. So the water dries pretty quick, actually. And then I'll go over a couple times with a cack rag. And then I'll hose down this whole floor and the walls and everything. I'll cover up anything that I don't want to get overspray on. And hose down everything else that's either dusty or mostly dusty. And start spraying. Essentially, after spraying the hose, I'll typically go over this one more time as well, just to, as a precaution. It's not the most perfect spot to do paint job, but so far so good. On this boat I haven't had any problem with bugs, and usually spraying early so that there's not an issue. I've sprayed boats late at night, and then the lights attract the bugs at night, and they fucking come through every little corner that they can, every little crevice, and they love paint for some reason, and they dive bomb your paint job. And they don't just die right there either, they like have this agonizing death through the poison, and they crawl all the way across the surface, leaving a little bug trail, and then they die in your paint. And I hate it. But yeah, so far so good. No bugs. And really not that bad on dust either. Pretty good last couple of rounds. I'm happy with it. So in any case, that's where I'm at. I'm gonna keep sanding and kind of go from there.